first thing y'all gonna do is put it on there and put some tape to know where y'all drilling the holes at on each spot. Block the holes with the tape so you can know exactly where to put the hole at onto the spoiler. You're gonna take a drill a hole in each spot you put the tape at. So what I'm gonna do is lift up the tape and drill a hole in my brand new spoiler. So after y'all drill the first guideline holes, they would be small and you're gonna have to come back with the drill to make them bigger for the screw to fit in there. So after you just make the guideline hole of where it's gonna be at, you're gonna go back in there with the drill again, make them holes fatter. After y'all boys get the screw size and the screw fit in there, it should look like this. So now put the wicker bill back on there and we're gonna put the screws in there. So before y'all align the screws in there, I say put some tape on there just to hold it in place so you know how your work finna look, and so you don't put it on there sideways and nothing like that. Get started. Make sure everything line up. Three pieces of tape just holding it in place. Well, two, because one fell off on this side. But what I'm doing is I put the screws in on the side just to hold it. I'm still screwing this on, my drill went dead, but I'm about to put that mug back in right now. So the first thing y'all want to do, put the side screws in first. This middle piece, you gotta leave these off because you're gonna drill the middle piece in there at the same time as you put the screw in. You're gonna do everything at once. You're gonna put it on there before you put the screws in, just so you won't have to take it out and put it back on there, because they do go through the same hole. Make sure y'all boys put the side screws in first to leave middle screws open for the middle piece of the wicker bill. And after you put the side screws in, you can take off the tape, or you can just leave it in like I did, just to hold it in place. Walking by looking at my car. That man was happy. It seemed like I just made his day. This is how it should look. And this is the finished look of the wicker bill. So that is going to conclude today's video. We're going to catch y'all on the next one. We out.